This is Doube's Trestle Bridge, part of the Trans Canada Trail. Actually, there's a sign up here now that says that it's part of the Kawartha Trans Canada Trail because we like to make this our own. It's ours and you can't take it away from us. So yes, this is the Kawartha Trans Canada Trail. So yeah, check out the color I'm getting here. I mean, it is just a gorgeous morning. I've been up since 6:15 to get here, and yeah, the sun is just starting to come up to the east, and you can see it hitting the clouds up here. And I had a hard time getting here and not wanting to stop and take my cameras out because I was afraid I was going to miss it. I think I'm just on time actually. I've got to get to the bridge. It's just up here, but it'll take me 2 seconds. But I'm loving the setup this morning. It's just looking beautiful and peaceful, except for that noise that I hear down there from the farmer. But yeah, it's perfect. Oh God. Watch the cameras. Okay, we're ready to go. Backpack's on. Let's get to the bridge. Freaking tractor. We're in a peaceful, perfect morning on the Kawartha Trans Canada Trail. This is the Kawartha section. I live in the city of Kawartha Lakes. I shouldn't be making fun of it, but yeah. Apparently we've made this section of the Trans Canada Trail our own, and it's called the Kawartha Trans Canada Trail. Actually, I don't have a problem with that at all. I really don't. This section is between Omemee and Peterborough. It's probably the most famous section because of the trellis bridge. Okay, I gotta get my tripod set up. Too bad I don't have my drone. I do have drone footage from last year that I will be showing. But this is Doube's trellis bridge. And love it, especially in the fall. You can see the sun just starting to touch those trees. Okay guys, freaking tractor. You think he's doing that on purpose? I think he's fertilizing his field. Like 7 a.m. sunrise on a Saturday morning. I don't know if you can hear them crows or not. That's funny. And there they go. Oh my God, I think he's done. I never know whether to do a symmetrical shot here or one where the bridge is off to the right. So I'm going to do both. And maybe put them side by side. See which one looks best. Much else to do but wait, and then hopefully the light will get better. I kind of like the yeah, I think I might move down there. The patchwork, yeah, we'll move up a little bit. Patchwork on the bridge might be interesting. Give it a little bit more interest. Okay, you guys. that was the trellis bridge. This is the trellis bridge. The sun's getting pretty high, and it's time to get back to the computer and have a coffee and breakfast and check out what I got. It's been a great morning, but yeah, I could see how photographers hate the summer. I was up at 6:15 and I almost missed the sunrise. And this is September 21st, right? Yes, September 21st. And so in the summer, you can imagine, to get the sunrise, ooh, 4 a.m.? No. Besides, the colors are much prettier in the fall anyway. So, okay, my arm's getting tired. So again, this is the Kawartha Trans Canada Trail, part of the Trans Canada Trail, and this section runs between Omemee and Peterborough, and it's a great spot in the fall. Really nice spot. So yeah, bye for now, and if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm attempting to make a video a week for as long as I possibly can, and I need your help to do that. So the more subscribers I get, the longer I can do this, the better quality my videos are going to get. And yeah, help me out and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.